On tonight's episode, we're going to talk about the brand new TRX-4 Traxx. What else we got, Chris?
I got no clue.
We're also going to talk about 442 because it's done. One last thing today we're going to install. Yeah, one last thing we got to install, and it's trail ready, my friend.
I don't have a body.
Yeah, that's for
It's
later
not
on.
ready. I wasn't prepared for this.
The Ultra Hobbies show airs every Friday, 7 o'clock on Facebook and YouTube. And what do we cover, Chris?
We cover running videos, we do build videos, we do customer setups, we have special guests, we cover local events.
We race all across Western Canada, and we always love to show footage from all the events that we do have and we do enter. Welcome. Episode 70, Ultra Hobbies show.
Yes.
He's Chris.
30 more episodes, we're at 100.
I'm Aaron.
Hey, Aaron.
Yeah, we're here to talk about stuff, things, probably related with Traxxas. I mean, it's gonna be a TRX-4 kind of an episode, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just received obviously the new TRX-4 Sport with Traxx. So this is actually pre-installed with Traxx and a light kit. So
and the roof rack and everything, right?
yeah. So let's talk about it. So this is the box.
Yep.
So it's gonna come in this obviously the blue one.
I'm excited to see that orange.
It's gonna come in this orange.
That orange is pretty sweet.
So the one thing I did notice right off the top of the orange one is this orange body with the blue traction pads.
Where these ones are the orange ones.
Yeah, it's
a little different there.
Yeah, a little bit different. This is
it's got the roof bar too.
This is the first delivery, so we cannot sell this until we get all of the other ones that we ordered. I think we ordered an orange one and a blue one, so we'll see how much hype we can build on this one.
I don't mind that blue.
I was expecting it to be
a little bit different than the other blue.
Yeah, the other blue's darker, but it's also pearl. So I think they call it like polarized pearl or something like that. But I was expecting it to be darker. I'm honestly expecting to see the orange one, and I think the orange one's going to sell better.
Lots of flex with these Traxx even. And this does not have the lift kit installed.
Nope.
It's still got the 2075X servo, the stock motor speed controller.
Yeah, nothing's been done.
I believe the motor's geared down though, I'd assume.
I think it's 9-tooth pinion instead. So what's in the box is pretty basic for most of the Traxxas stuff. I mean, you get the same warning note that you would get with the Traxx. Yep. And that's like the exact same thing.
Letting the traction climatize in the whole vehicle, locking the diffs.
Yeah, running in first gear. You get your basic Traxxas remote, which is apparent because, I mean, it's a TRX-4 Sport. So you get a single speed transmission, just full spools, no unlocking and locking the diffs, so it's pretty basic. And then inside the bag, as per usual, you get a manual.
Quick start guide, manual. Traxxas does not include manuals anymore. Quick
start guide. You get some extra black body clips, which is super cool. TRX-4, thank you Traxxas for black body clips. Some extra fender flares, some extra little detailed stuff. Some tools, so they have a 17mm tension nut on the outside of the Traxx that will need that tool, 1.52, 2.5mm Allen key, and a 4-way T-wrench. So super basic.
In the bag. Is
so
there even explosive views in there?
I don't think so. Nope, there is a manual.
There is? Yeah. Is the exploded view?
Yeah, right there.
Beauty.
So that also gives you a warranty card.
Comes with that.
Yeah. Comes with your warranty card. So super basic. So let's bust her open and check her out. So first things first, like Chris said, this is going to be pre-installed with headlights, taillights, and you also get that roof light bar.
And then you get that expedition rack, the nice snorkel. You got the mirrors on there and everything.
Yep, and you're going to get
it's fairly scalable.
You're going to get your jerry cans, the traction pad, fire extinguishers, shovel. You're also going to get an axe and a fire extinguisher in there too, and a high lift jack. So you do get some extra scale details right from Traxxas, which is super nice. Also, if you want to flip the body over and just show them the pre-installed light kit.
We did that first.
So everything's all done, pre-wired, nice and clean, so you don't have to worry.
The kit's all in the back.
Yeah.
And everything in the front.
Perfect.
Looks good.
So that's that. So it's nice and easy on that stuff. So now let's talk about the chassis. I mean, really nothing chassis-wise has changed.
Except for the plug-in for the lights.
Yeah.
Besides that, it's pretty much a TRX Sport.
Has your power brick in there. I mean, the only thing that a regular Sport wouldn't come with is going to be these flares.
Yes.
And these are not the standard flare that comes with the, say, TRX-4 Blazer or Bronco.
These are the narrow ones.
These are part number TRA-8080. They're the narrow fender flares, so they're not quite as wide to fit the Sport body. A little bit better. But everything else is the same. Like Chris said, with the fender flares, you're going to get the front battery tray. that the Blazer or the Bronco would come with. The XL5 HV, so 2 or 3S capable with 3 different drag brake settings.
Yes.
You also get the 21 turn reverse Titan motor, waterproof receiver box as per usual, 2075X waterproof steel gear servo. Still, the only thing that really bothers me is you don't get aluminum servo horn. Or steel servo horn. It's still plastic. So definitely pick up
Make sure to pick up one of those.
Yeah, the 8247X from Traxxas. That's
so much ground clearance with these Traxx, eh?
You gain a whole bunch going this route. So this kit is a little bit expensive. I mean, it's going to be $769 without a battery and a charger, so you will require a battery and charger to finish it. But doing some rough pricing.
If you were to buy the sport kit, put electronics in it, and buy the Traxx, it would be more expensive.
That's correct. So
Traxxas made it a little bit cheaper for you. You get a ready-to-run model, ready to go with Traxx for that price.
Yep. All you got to do is throw a battery in it, and away you go. So I'll give Traxxas credit for doing it. I know a lot of people have said they've already built one before this has come out, which is totally fair. Traxxas wanted to test the market.
Exactly. They're not just going to go and do it right off the bat.
Yeah, they want to test the market on the Traxx first before they go in and build a whole RTR that's not going to sell.
Exactly.
So I think it's a really cool thing. This is going to be displayed at Ultra, so if you want to come check it out, like I said, we can't sell it because this is a first delivery unit, but I think in the next 3 weeks or so, we'll be getting our next shipment, and once we get our first shipment of them, then we can sell them. So come check them out. They're super, super cool.
I really want one. I really like how it looks.
It looks pretty killer. So Chris has also some TRX-4 footage. Not 4-4-2 footage, but 4 footage. So let's check that out. So you drove a lot in the Walter there, my
Yeah,
friend.
I went out with Dalton and with Jaden.
Nice.
Yeah, Dalton had a 6x6 out. I did more pushing him than anything. Got stuck a lot.
I heard he might have grenaded a Spurrier.
Yeah, it
Like
was
heavily.
good. I got a good video right near the end of the trail where it was just like rolling on the few chunks of Spurrier left. It sounds like an old diesel. It's good. You'll see it.
It kind of matches the body.
Yeah, exactly.
Fair enough. So next up on the list, like I said, it's going to be a TRX-4 kind of an episode. We have the finishing touches of 442. So thank you, Dalton. Actually, talk about Dalton, his 6x6.
Yeah, that battery tray?
Yes, thank you, Dalton, for 3D printing us a special battery tray that only fits in our TRX-4 because we're special and had to have the rear steer.
Servo in the back.
So we kind of killed it for all the other ones he printed. So thank you for changing your design up and printing us a special one. So let's get that installed and let's go take it out and have some fun with it, buddy.
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. That tire's doing some work.
No, the suspension work.
Oh! Womp, womp, womp.
Definitely got some
Very top heavy.
high center of gravity.
Look at that thing just get like straight bound up.
Alright, I saw that tire going and I was like, I better stop. Look at this. How many people can do a full U-turn right in the middle of the rock? Oh,
Not you.
not me. Almost. Hit one rock.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that can't just slither. It's over. I won't cry. Not this time.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's ready.
Well, that's the end. Episode 70.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram as well as Snapchat, TRX Hobbies. Don't forget to check him out on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, RC Deebs.
Yes.
Don't forget to check him out on Snapchat at DJ Deebert. And yeah,
Don't forget to check out our website,
Oh.
www.ultrarchobbies.com.
there we go. Good catch. Good catch. I missed it. Beg my pardons. But
Gotcha.
yeah, we have some fun. There's some cool stuff going on Monday, so don't forget to come to Diefenbaker Park. Monday, we'll be there from pretty much 9 o'clock till about 5 o'clock. We'll be set up in the park, pretty much the same as what we had at the dust off out here in the parking lot.
Yes.
We'll have that track set up. We'll have some cars for you guys to run. If you want to bring your own cars to have some fun on the tracks with some jumps, definitely come and have some fun. So that's Diefenbaker Park Monday for Canada Day in the park.
I have a very broken UDR I need to fix.
There we go.
Yeah.
So Chris is going to break his UDR again.
No,
and we're
no.
going to have some fun. So don't forget to check us out on Monday. And thank you again for watching. We really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye. This hat doesn't fit very good, my friend.